Good morning, students. Today we will see new topic of games theory. First, it is based on the preliminary of minimax and maximin. What is minimax and maximin? It implies that each component will act so as minimize the maximum loss and maximize the minimum gain. Then what is game? It is an activity involving action by each one of the participants accordingly to the set of the rules which result in some gain. Then players. Each participant playing game is called a player. Then payoff. What is payoff? The quantitative matrix and achievement at the end of the game is known as payoff. Then payoff matrix. It is the table which shows the outcome of the game when different strategies are adopted by different players is known as payoff matrix. Then what is strategy? It is the adaptable rules by which each player decide his course of action from his available course of action. There are different three types of strategy: pure strategy, mixed strategy and optimal strategy. First, what is pure strategy? It is decision rules to always select a particular course of action. And then mixed strategy. It is decision advance of all plays to choose a course of action for each play in allocation with some probability. Then optimal strategy. The strategy which puts the player in the most preferred position irrespectively of the source of opponent is called optimal strategy. Then what is game value? It is also known as saddle point. Saddle point in which each player has a pure strategy. Saddle point exists, the game is stable. If saddle point does not exist, the game is not stable. It is the number of which lowest in its rows and highest in column. How to find out saddle point and game value? Lowest value of row and highest value of column. That means row minima and column maxima. Then zero sum game. It is the game in which the sum of players to all the players after the play of the game is 0. Then value of the game. The maximum guaranteed expected outcome per player. What players follow their optimal strategy is called the value of the game. It is denoted by V, and if the value of game is 0, then it is known as fair game. Then maximin. It is the minimum value of the game, and minimax minimize the maximum value of loss. The most important definition of maximin and minimax. Maximin means maximize the minimum value of game, and minimax means minimize the maximum value of loss. Then how to find out 2% zero sum game with saddle point? That means game value. 2%. Here show the first example. First example of two players, player A and player B. Player A, A1 and A2, and player B, B1 and B2. 2 by 2 matrix. The value of matrix is 18, 6, 12 and 3. So, how to find out game value? That means saddle point. Here see it is the number which lowest in the row and highest in column. That means row minima find out and column maxima find out. Row minima, first row minimum value is 18 and 6 to 6, and second row minimum 12 and 3 out of 3. Then column maximum find out value. First column maximum value is 18 and 12 to 18, and second column maximum value is 6 and 3 to 6. And then how to find out saddle point? So common value of column maximum and row minimum. Here common value is 6 to put out the box, and the game value and saddle point is equal to 6. Thank you.